1 years, many knows. Good. So I used to go through my whole life thinking it was Siva. It's actually Cheva. So Cheva's theorem, which is a very cool, very important theorem for when you want to prove that 3 lines in a triangle are concurrent. So if you've got a triangle, generic triangle, you've got 3 lines going that way. So A, B, C, D, E, F. Cheva's theorem, so these are just 3 random lines. They don't have to go through the same point. Cheva's theorem says that they do go through the same point if and only if the following holds. So AF over FB times BD over DC times CE over EA is equal to 1. So if you can prove this equation by some means, then you know that those 3 lines are concurrent. And if the 3 lines are concurrent, then you get that equation. So if we apply this to the case of the orthocenter, so these are the 3 altitudes. We don't know that they're concurrent yet. We can write, let's say, CE. We can write as DC times sine alpha. Oh, have you guys have all done trig before, right? Yes. Good. Okay, so CE is BC sine alpha, CE, and EA is AB times sine of that angle up there. And in the same way, you can get each one as a side of the original triangle times a sine of one of these angles. And when you all plug it in there, you just get 1, like magic. Okay, so we can also do this like very easily for the centroid. If we've got ourselves centroid, we have lines through the midpoints. That is not a midpoint. Anyway, what's this ratio over that? So that line over that, if that's a midpoint.
1.
1. So that's going to be 1, that's going to be 1, that's going to be 1, and we get 1. And so we can know that these 3 lines intersect at 1 point, called the centroid. Cool. How much time have I got? 1 minute. Okay, so next week we can prove Cheva's theorem. Are you guys looking forward to that?
It's the following week, isn't it?
Oh, yes. The next week that we're here. That's what I meant. That's totally what I meant. Okay, and I'll also make it up to you by actually proving that the authors and stuff. Yeah. Okay, cool. I think that's it.
Do you have any homework for the
I mean,
for 2 weeks?
I mean, I would like to give them homework, but then the thing is, I'd like for them to, do the homework.